Hey, here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! In a natural disaster, emergency situation or power outage, you may find yourself on your own, with no electronic equipment or any way of telling the time. Well, the good news is, the only equipment you need to work out how much daylight there is left is the sun and your hands. To estimate the remaining daylight, simply face the sun and extend your arms in front of you, so that your palms face towards you. Place your index finger just below the sun. You can stack your hands one on top of the other if needed, until your bottom finger is in line with the horizon. Count the number of fingers you have between the horizon and the bottom of the sun. Each finger represents about 15 minutes of time, depending on your finger size. For more accurate results every time, practice this at home with a watch to check if you have 10, 15 or 20-minute fingers. Check out the links in the description for more useful tips and information. Remember to think like a YoYo Survivor and be prepared for when you're on your own. Be sure to click the notification bell and share this video with your family and friends too, so they can be smart and be ready in case of a natural disaster, emergency or power outage. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to get regular survival updates and check out my channel to see more. Oh, and if you're like me and love my gear, check out the links in the description. Stay safe.